Welcome to my channel. I'm going to shuffle cards for Pisces. What will happen in Pisces live in 2025? I hope I pray that this year will bring you a lot of happiness, health, wealth, and prosperity. Let's start. What we can predict, what we can tell. Pisces 2025, how this year will be for Pisces, what is going to happen in Pisces life. Cards first, second, third. Okay, let's. First card we have eight of Pentacles and five of Pentacles. Okay, Ji. So this card is telling us that if you, uh, yes, you are going to explore so many new things, and you are coming out from old phase of life, from tired phase of life, and when you had a bad days, you are coming out from that, and you will have a lot of new opportunities. You are going to explore so many things, and if you were kind of tired in so many matters of your life, now you are going to move on, and you will have a good time ahead. Then we have the Lovers card and the World card and the Courage card. So you will have so many opportunities in your love life, and you will meet so many people, and so many people can approach you, and you can approach so many people. So you will be surrounded by many people who can fall in love with you, and you can fall in love with you. Yes, so there will be so many voices, noise, and especially in your love life, and it is good, not bad. It's up to you. How do you manage it? Then we have the Empress and Queen of Cups. So you will be very emotional, and mostly married couples can have a news regarding pregnancy, and you will be emotional, you will be lovable, you will be very kind hearted these years, especially women will be so emotional and will realize so many things, and women will have a very women will have a very soft heart in these years. Okay, then we have Two of Swords and the Chariot. You will have opportunity, you will have choice regarding your work especially, and you will have to choose one of opportunity in your work area. Yes, and you will have a clear picture of so many people, so many things, and maybe you will not want to see the real picture, but you will have to, and you will be stuck in a situation where you will have opportunity, where you will have choice, and you will have to choose one. And then we have Knight of Swords. You will observe so many things, you are going to observe so many people, and you will be a great observer in coming year, and you are observing people, you are observing especially someone who is very enthusiastic, very running very fast towards you maybe, and moving very fastly. So you are going to observe people, things, and you will learn from it. Then we have King of Pentacles. Yes. uh, Maybe things are not are really tough for you, because you know that this is test for me, and maybe someone is taking your test, or you are taking someone test, but a test is going on, and you will have to come out from that phase, because after that test you will have a a very comfortable life, and you will have opportunities, you will have an open mind, and you will plan so many things. So you will go through some tough times, some hard work, and then you will have so many opportunities coming ahead. Okay, now let's see more what else can happen, what big things are going to happen in Pisces life. Mhm. Three. Okay, then seven of swords and two of cups, and clarifies it, balance. uh, you will have to keep balance in your love life, in your partnership. Don't try to hide from one person to reach another. So try to make balance, and for your partner as well. If the partner do not make balance in this relationship, so it can create trouble. So you need to balance. You don't need to hide reality, just tell everything and be honest. Okay, then we have seven of pentacles and ten of cups. Hmm. Maybe you were feeling that you cannot, you are not able for something, you cannot get it, you cannot achieve that thing. You might have some kind of uh, uh, I don't know what should I say, but you might be stuck mentally. So you did not have that confidence to achieve so many things. So this year you will be free from your mind or from your heart. You will have a, maybe your family will support you, and you will have a freedom in your mind, in your heart, and you will have a confidence to get something. And maybe if you had a wish for something, it is going to fulfill, and that will give you freedom, that will give you confidence. Okay, and your intuition power will be strong these days. Then we have a king of swords, the devil, and yes, if you had if you had a fight with someone, if you had a not good relationship with someone, so so these coming years will be good for you, because your relationship with someone who 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 was not good with you going to be fine in these days. If you had a fight, you will be friends. If you had misunderstanding with someone, it will be clear out, so things will be very peaceful. People will be good to you, and your old relation, your fights will be going to over. Then we have temperance and wheel of fortune. You will make balance in your life, you will try to adjust so many things, and this ability will bring good time for you. Your good time will is coming very soon. And then we have four of wands and the magician. You can get married this year, and you can buy home, some kind of victory, some kind of achievement is there. And this achievement will be hard work of your, will be fruit of your hard work. Then we have a knight of wands and six of swords. Hmm. Uh, if let me clarify this. Hmm. Some travel, some people, some things were not easy to move on with, going to be peaceful. If they are not good for you, they will remove from your life. If they are good for you, they will join you, they will be with you. But overall it will be good for you, and you will be harvested, you will be prosperous, you will be peaceful. So this was your reading passes for 2025.